When it comes to installing or replacing doors in your home or business, the task may seem simple at first glance. However, there's much more to it than just fitting a door into a frame. Whether you're upgrading the front door to enhance curb appeal, installing a new interior door for privacy, or replacing an old door to improve security, the quality of the installation plays a crucial role in the door's performance, appearance, and longevity. This is where a local Dallas door installation expert comes into play. Here are several compelling reasons why hiring a local professional for your door installation needs is a smart choice. In-depth knowledge of local styles and trends. Dallas, a city that blends modern and traditional architectural styles, has a unique door aesthetic. A local Dallas door installation expert will have a thorough understanding of the specific styles, materials, and designs that work best for the area's homes and businesses. Whether you are looking for a sleek, modern glass door or a classic, rustic wooden door, a local expert can help you choose a door that complements your property and blends seamlessly with the overall architecture. Moreover, professionals who are familiar with Dallas weather conditions can help you select doors that provide energy efficiency and durability in both the hot summer months and occasional cold fronts. For instance, a local expert will know which door materials are best for insulating against heat or cold, thus reducing your energy bills. Experience with local building codes and regulations. Each area has its own building codes and regulations that govern how installations must be performed. Local Dallas door installation professionals are highly experienced with these codes, ensuring that the installation complies with all necessary safety and legal requirements. When hiring a local expert, you can be confident that the job will be done correctly the first time, without the need for costly adjustments or delays. Whether it's ensuring your door meets fire safety standards or adhering to guidelines for the proper fit and frame construction, a knowledgeable professional will navigate these details with ease, saving you time and frustration. Personalized customer service. When you choose a local Dallas door installation expert, you're opting for a business that is embedded within the community. Local professionals often place a high value on customer satisfaction and take pride in offering a personalized, one-on-one service that larger, national chains may not provide. They're more likely to go the extra mile to understand your specific needs, answer all your questions, and address any concerns you have throughout the installation process. This personalized touch means that local experts are more attuned to the specific needs of their customers, and they work hard to build long-term relationships within the community. They will ensure your door installation is smooth and stress-free, which is something larger contractors may struggle to offer. Quick response times and availability. One of the main benefits of hiring a local Dallas door installation expert is the promptness and accessibility they offer. If you're dealing with an emergency, such as a broken door or a security issue, local professionals can often provide faster response times and quicker installations. Since they are based in the area, they have fewer scheduling conflicts and can prioritize your needs. Additionally, when it comes to repairs or follow-up services, a local expert is just a call away. You won't have to deal with frustrating delays or waiting for someone to travel from another city or region. This level of accessibility is critical if you ever need help after the installation is complete. Support local economy. When you hire a local Dallas door installation expert, you're investing in your community and supporting local businesses. The money you spend stays in the area and contributes to the growth of local small businesses. Many local door installation experts rely on referrals and word of mouth to build their reputation, so they have a vested interest in ensuring that you're completely satisfied with their work. Additionally, local professionals tend to be passionate about their work and take pride in helping their neighbors. This sense of pride translates into superior craftsmanship and service, as they have a direct connection to the community they serve. Expertise in unique Dallas homes. Dallas is known for its diversity in home styles, from historic homes in established neighborhoods to sleek, modern homes in new developments. A local expert will have experience with a wide range of door installations, from fitting traditional wooden doors to contemporary glass panels. They'll also be able to offer suggestions and solutions tailored to your specific home, ensuring the final result is not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing. In conclusion, hiring a local Dallas door installation expert ensures that you receive high-quality service, personalized attention, and a professional who understands the unique needs of your home or business. With their in-depth knowledge of local building codes, fast response times, and commitment to customer satisfaction, local professionals can help you achieve the perfect door installation, one that enhances the beauty and security of your property for years to come.